Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
The stone balls have tantalized curiosities, and are a conundrum to many archaeologists. But the theories laid out in the reading don't seem to sufficiently explain their purpose, and they raise further doubts. First, it's a coincidence that the stone balls were chiefly found in Aberdeenshire, where many stone circles are located. But it's highly unlikely that the stone balls were used to move these gigantic stones in the circles. The stone balls have ornate carvings, which display great degrees of craftsmanship. In fact, carving the balls would make them less suitable to roll on the ground and move the large stones, since having a smooth surface would have been better for a roll. And, why would anyone take much time and effort to elaborately carve the stone balls to use them for such a toilsome work? Okay, the stone balls look like stone mace heads and hafts, but there is one crucial difference between the two. None of the stone balls have holes in the middle to mount a shaft. If the stone balls were used as mace heads, it would make more sense to have a hole that runs in the center to attach the stone to a long stick. And, if the stone balls were used as weapons, or were thrown like bolas, they would have been broken or worn from use. Most of the uncovered stone balls have lack of damage, so it seems that they were unlikely used as weapons. Lastly, the weights of the stone balls vary too much to be used as some kind of weighing device. The balls were made from various types of stones, from sandstone to granite, so even if they were the same size, they would still have different weights. Variable weights would make the balls less suited for standardized measurements. If the balls were used as stone money, they would be discovered in piles, just like stashes of cash. But most of the stone balls were found individually from one another,